Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you, step by step, how to make a PIX payment using your credit card on PicPay. This method gives you more flexibility when paying bills or sending money. Let's get started. First, open the PicPay app on your smartphone and log in with your credentials. Next, tap on PIX from the main menu. Then, enter the recipient's PIX key, or scan the QR code provided. Now, choose credit card as your payment method. If your card isn't added yet, tap Add Card and enter your card details. After that, enter the amount you want to send and review the transaction details carefully. Finally, confirm the payment using your security method, such as your password or biometric verification. PicPay will process the payment, and both you and the recipient will receive a confirmation. That's it. You've successfully made a PIX payment using your credit card on PicPay. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy, step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching.